Valentine's Day approaches, let's step into the world of romantic confectionery where we unveil the heart and soul of our kitchen. We are transforming your kitchen into a love-filled heaven where spouses, life partners, girlfriends, and boyfriends can unite to create memorable, heart-warming treats for your special one. Hello, I'm your cake expert, Sarah, and you're watching RFAQK. Today we will help you in making your partner's day special. We will start off by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Firstly, add 4 cups of cake flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well with a whisk and set it aside. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment on, beat in 1 cup butter and 2 cups of sugar. And then we will add room temperature eggs one by one. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Now add 1 cup oil and 2 cups of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and beat until just well combined. It's time to add our dry mixture into 2 batches and beat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape the sides of the ball with a spatula to ensure the flour gets fully incorporated. And last, add 1 to 2 tablespoons red food gel coloring to give the batter a bright red color. Grease the oven tray with oil and line it with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter and smooth it using your RFAQK spatula. Now bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. While our cake is baking, we can get started with the cream cheese frosting, for which you will need half cup butter, 4 cups of icing sugar, 1 cup of cream cheese. In a bowl, we will beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy. And then add cream cheese and beat until homogeneous. Once our frosting is ready, we will check up on the cake using a cake tester. Oh, it's clean. That means it's time to decorate. Firstly, we will cut out the heart shape using a knife. To frost each layer accurately, I'm going to use a cake board and place each layer. Then using RFAQK's piping bag with the round tip 12R, we will pipe dollops all around the cake. Also add white chocolate chips to make it even more delicious. Repeat this process with the other layer as well. To decorate the top, we will use RFAQK's Russian tip number 8 to create a beautiful gradient flower. Just remember, baking is all about creating your baked goods with love. Happy baking and even happier Valentine's Day!